Unbounce landing page review. In this video, we're going to be talking about Unbounce and how you're going to use this incredible platform for yourself when it comes to your landing pages. Now, you want to go ahead and generate more leads and sales. Unbounce is the platform for you, the leading landing page platform built for marketers and agencies. You can leverage AI driven insights powered by billions of conversions to deliver better results without increasing your budget or team size. Now, it provides you with a lot of great features like drag and drop builders, no code A B testing, AI copywriting, real time analytics, and great AI optimization. You can convert more customers with one platform, and with Unbounce's no code AI powered tools at your fingertips, you can launch A B testing and optimize landing pages on your own. So, to get a proper idea about Unbounce and how you are going to be operating their landing pages, and for me to give you a proper review on it, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Start My Free Trial. All right. So once we're over here, what it asks is our first name, last name. And what you're going to do from there is you're going to enter your email. So once we've done that, what we're going to do from there is we're going to enter a strong password for myself. And once we do that, we're going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it says your free trial has started. So what it's going to do is it's going to send a verification email straight to the inbox to the email that you have delivered to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paste the link of the email that they provided me. So once you do that, it goes ahead and confirms you as the user. And once that is done, it brings you here to the onboarding. So it says you have been upgraded to a premium free trial. So you're going to add in your company name. You're going to add in the industry for your company as well. So I'm going to go with e-commerce. Then let's go with our company size to 7 out of 10 and landing page experience. Let's go with I've built landing pages with another builder and click on start now. Now, once you have done that, what it's going to do from there is it's going to bring you over here to a template page. Now, in this template page, as you can see, it says welcome to Builder Basics template, which is basically a template to start you off. So you can go ahead and start right away with the templates, but I'm going to go ahead and skip that and come over to the main page. So this is going to be your dashboard. All right. This is where everything mainly goes down. This is where you go ahead and sort out most of the things that go out in your Unbounce. Now, if you move over to the left-hand side over here, this is where you find the pages that you work out with, and you have pop-ups and sticky bars. Okay, so this is something you work with as well, where you can start converting more of your website visitors today with pop-ups and sticky bars. So these are two different things that we're going to be discussing as well. Then we move over to integrations. So Unbounce has a lot of integrations to help you with. Like the level of applications that they provide you and the level of features those applications bring you when you are working with Unbounce's proper CRM is crazy. So you can check out Unbounce's 6 popular integrations that they give you. So first of all, you have email notification where you get notified every time you get a new lead from the form on your page. Then there's Google Sheets, where you can save Unbounce's submissions to a Google spreadsheet. You can also add MailChimp for new MailChimp subscribers and so on. And you even get more integrations than these, which is pretty cool. It's pretty incredible and gives you a lot of work to deal out with. Now you move over to domains as well. And in domains, you can see you can connect your domains where you can publish landing pages with custom URLs once you have completed and connected a successful domain for yourself. You can either connect a WordPress domain straight off, or you can connect a normal domain depending on whatever you want to go with. Then we can also move over to the settings of Unbounce. So it gives you a script manager, embedding code, IP filters, email notifications. So all these things are mainly to embed your Unbounce landing page to maybe a website that you're working on or to any other platform or software that you want to show it off to. Now, once we have gone through with this, what we're going to do from here on out is we are going to go over ahead to pages to actually see how our pages come out. So I'm going to go over to all pages and I'm going to click on create new. And once we click on create new, it's going to bring us over here. So it says pick a content type for the landing pages. So you can either go with landing page, pop-ups, or sticky bars. Now we're here for landing pages. So what we're going to do from here is we are going to go ahead and choose our template. All right. So whatever template you want to go with, go ahead and fix it up for yourself. So let's say I want to go ahead with this template over here, the Mint Lightbox. All right. So once you've chosen this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Start with this template. Now, once we start off with this template, it basically loads you over here where it says loading into Unbounce's editor. Now, this is going to be your Unbounce editor. Now, obviously, from a glance, you might think that this might be a difficult platform to create something on because, you know, the interface for the editor is kind of not the easiest to the eyes and it's kind of all over the place. But trust me, it's very easy to get along with and it's very easy to use as well. So, for starters, on the left-hand side over here, you get all of the features that you can add into your landing page. So, we have a whole section to add. Then you can add boxes, and in these small boxes, you can change sizes according to yourself. And in these, you can add different types of details and things. Then we have texts where you can pretty much go ahead and enter any type of text that you want to go ahead with. You can add images, buttons, lightbox buttons, forms, embedded videos, and custom HTMLs. So it's pretty incredible and pretty cool stuff to have when it comes to a proper landing page builder because this basically allows you to go ahead and add as many detailed, possibilities to pretty much effectively change your landing page whole look. So basically, once you're done with your landing page, what you're going to do is you're going to click on save. And once you click on save, you're simply going to click on publish. So once you click on publish, it's going to say you still have 13 days on your free trial. So in order to publish pages, we require a payment method to verify your identity and help prevent fraud. So what you're going to basically do is you're going to go ahead and if you're creating a landing page through their free trial, you're going to need to add your card details or any type of billing details in that case. So once you're done with all of that, it's going to save all previous landing pages as well, published or unpublished. If they are saved by you, they are going to be appearing over here, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool feature because it saves those landing pages in the back. Now, moving on, what you can moreover do is, as I told you previously, go over to pop-ups and sticky bars. Now, pop-ups present organic visitors to your website, blog, and e-commerce store with timely relevant pop-ups, and sticky bars convert organic mobile traffic to your website and subtle Google-friendly sticky bars. So let's say you want to go ahead and create a pop-up for yourself as well, because obviously it is a good marketing technique to mash up with your landing page. And that's the best part is that you can use all of the same templates that you get for the landing page for your pop-ups as well. And obviously using your pop-ups for your landing page is the greatest marketing technique that you can actually go with. So, yeah, basically the whole editor for pop-ups is the same as landing pages and you can access it in any way whatsoever. So, basically that is landing pages. And let me tell you that Unbounce is more than just your typical landing page builder. With Unbounce, you can do way more than just create landing pages. It's all about giving your website visitors an awesome experience that turns them into loyal customers. Trust me, I have tried it myself, and even I showed you, and I was amazed at how amazing of a platform it was. Now, the two awesome tools are the Smart Builder technology and data that it uses for conversions to help you make landing pages that turn more visitors into customers, where you can use different things like dynamic text replacement, setting up your conversion goals, running A B testing, using smart traffic, pop ups, sticky bars, and even integrations. So, for the trial it gives you, for the pricing it provides you, it's a pretty good choice. So it's a top choice among landing page builders because it's designed to help you create pages of any sizes that actually turn visitors into leads or customers. With its easy drag and drop editor and plenty of attractive templates that you can go ahead and look for, it will give you professional looking landing pages without any hassle. So, if your goal is to boost conversions for your business, Unbounce is definitely worth considering and worth using. So, basically, that's the main and most straightforward idea of Unbounce and how you are going to be creating the greatest and most attractive and effective landing pages on it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.